Get user's location in JavaScript using Geolocation API. I have a button with id btn. When I click on it, location will be displayed on the p tag. I have selected the button and add and click event listener. I have created a function called getLocation and I will use Geolocation API to get the coordinates. Geolocator.getCurrentPosition expects a callback function that returns an object of coordinate. We will use that object to display longitude and latitude on the p tag. I am selecting p tag and assigning the coordinate value to the p tag using ternary operator. Now when we click on it, the longitude and latitude will be displayed on the screen. Furthermore, you can use APIs to feed this longitude and latitude to get your